followed by emasculation. Emasculation. And when and why does a plant breeder employ this technique? Emasculate means removing masculinity. In flowers, removal of anther is known as emasculation. So, this is done to prevent pollination. So, emasculation is a practice of removal of stamen or anthers before the anther dehisces from bisexual flowers in female parent and also called as emasculation. So, answer to the first question comes here. Now, a plant breeder employs this technique in the bird condition. So in younger stages, before the anther begins to differentiate. And lastly, it is required to prevent self-pollination. So the breeder, if he does not want self-pollination, he is going to do something like this. So in younger stages, in a bisexual flower, this is a bisexual flower. It has anther and this is the stamen. Now, the breeder will cut this when it is in younger stages. So the flower will look something like this. Okay. So because of this, no self-pollination will occur, and thus plant breeders use this technique to prevent what? Self-pollination.